Hey guys, All Jack No Trades here. It is day 13 of fixing the RX7, and today we are going to be taking out the battery. The reason I'm doing this, there's some things inside there that I want to just look at, and the battery's blocking the way. That's why I want to get it out. Before anything, I want to disconnect both sides of the battery. Set it aside, and it seems like I need to just untangle this part, move this out of the way, and then just lift this thing up. So using some pliers, I just kind of pinched this, unwrapped it, and then just got this wire out the way. To get the battery out, it seems like all you need to do is just pull, get this clamp out the way, and then it should be good. Let's see if I can do this first try. Ooh. Sweet. This seems to be the thing holding it down. To put it back together, this goes into this hole. So you put this in there, you just put the battery back. And then you just put the wire back on and then tighten it. That's all for today, guys. Real quick video. Hope you have a good one.